How to create an account on gate.io. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to start crypto trading but confused where to begin on Gate.io, first of all, open your Gate application on your smartphone, or you may also visit the website Gate.io on a web browser. I'm just gonna open up the Gate application on my mobile device. Now wait for the home page to appear. Here, you need to go ahead and tap on the sign up button at the bottom left corner in order to create a new account. Now go ahead and select your country or your residence from the drop-down. Accept to the user's terms and privacy policy from the bottom by checking the square box and click on Create an Account. On the next page, go ahead and enter an email address or a phone number by selecting the phone option and then type the credential in the text box. I'm just going to use the email option. Go ahead and type down your email address in the text box. Make sure that you are typing in your correct email address. Once you are done, click on the next button. You may also go ahead and sign up using your Apple, Google, or Telegram option. Now go ahead and verify your email by checking your email inbox. You'll receive an email from Gate. Click open the email that you received and then copy the code that has been emailed to you and get back to your Gate application and paste in the code. You can also manually type it down and on the next page, create a password to complete the sign up. Create a strong password with at least 8 characters, a number, and a letter. Finally, click on Confirm at the bottom. And the next thing you want to do is to complete your identity verification. You can verify it right away, or you can also skip this process for now and do it later by tapping the cross sign at the top right. Now there you have successfully created an account for Gate.io or using the Gate application. Now you're ready to verify your account, and after verification you can deposit crypto, start trading, explore the P2P and other features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.